Hey besties, in today's video I'm going to share with you how you can make money online as a beginner with $0 and a phone. Guys, engaging in a side hustle doesn't just augment your income, but it also grants you the freedom to pursue your passions and interests beyond your primary job. Thankfully, the digital era has ushered all of us in a bank of side hustle opportunities. Guess what? You can earn money by posting on forums. Yes, active engagement with the online community is a crucial aspect of building a successful website. Now, online forums provide an excellent platform for fostering this interaction, and companies are willing to compensate individuals for posting valuable content that boosts engagement and web traffic. If you're seeking to kickstart a side job, exploring websites like paid forum posting and by lot, they can offer paid opportunities for forum writing. Guys, when you combine this side income with other revenue streams, you can make it a viable option for you. Now, I want you guys to understand that engaging with online forums not only provides a financial benefit, but it also offers the opportunity to connect with like-minded people, share your expertise, and contribute to meaningful discussions. Now, by actively participating in forum writing, you can refine your writing skills and potentially transform this side hustle into a fulfilling career. Another way to make money is by selling old books. Guys, for avid book enthusiasts, selling books can be a profitable way to generate extra income. So you can turn a profit by sourcing used books from a local thrift shop at a minimal cost, and you can resell them at a higher price. The convenience of selling books online means you don't even have to leave your home to make money. You can take a picture of the book and post it. Thanks to apps like Bookscouter and sellbackyourbook.com, earning money through book sales has never been easier. All you need to do is install the app, scan the book's ISBN, and instantly discover the highest price that you can sell it for online. When you utilize these apps, you can conveniently access the value of your books and find the best platforms to sell them at a competitive price. It allows you to maximize your earnings while enjoying the comfort of managing your business from home. Whether you have a collection of books collecting dust on your shelves, or you enjoy hunting for literary treasures in thrift stores, these online platforms actually provide a great opportunity to monetize your passion for books. Another way to make money is by selling subscription boxes. Yes, so guys, with the increasing demand for subscription services, starting the subscription box business can be a highly profitable venture, especially considering that the industry is projected to reach $478.2 billion by 2025. To kickstart your business, start by selecting the products that you want to offer and then price them competitively. Also consider offering annual subscriptions at a discounted rate compared to monthly subscriptions to encourage long-term commitments from customers. Also, set up an appealing online store where you can showcase your products using high quality photos to attract potential subscribers. Now, profitability in the subscription box business can vary depending on your profit margin, which typically range from 40 to 60%. It's also important to research and analyze the market to determine the appropriate pricing for your subscription box. The average monthly subscription box cost often falls within $10 to $40, depending on the perceived value of the products and the target audience. When you carefully curate your subscription box, providing exceptional customer service and continuously adapting to market trend, you can create a successful and profitable business in the thriving subscription box industry. Another way to make money is by selling courses. Now, do you know how to develop and sell online courses? It's an excellent opportunity to generate passive income even as a teenager or a stay-at-home mom while sharing your expertise with other people. For you to get started, it is important to select a subject that you have in-depth knowledge of. These things hold significant impact demand in the market. Now, once you have determined your niche, focus on creating valuable and high-quality content that effectively teaches and adds value to your audience. Now, this content in question can include videos, articles, exercises, and other interactive materials that enhance the learning experience. Next thing you need to do is explore various online platforms to market and sell your course. You can utilize your own website or leverage the power of social media and take advantage of established online course marketplaces like Udemy and Skillshare. When you implement effective marketing strategies and you provide exceptional content, you can attract a wide range of potential customers and generate revenue through course sales. Now, the key is to continuously engage with your audience. You gather feedback and refine your course to ensure its quality and relevance. Another way to make money is by being a mystery shopper. Yes, so in case you're wondering who is a mystery shopper, what does mystery shopping entail? Now, mystery shopping involves visiting various establishments like stores, restaurants, and businesses to evaluate the quality of customer service and overall shopping experience. Now, as a mystery shopper, you will make a purchase and observe the key details and provide detailed reports to the company that has hired you. Numerous companies offer opportunities for mystery shopping. Platforms like TERN, yes, Market Force, Mystery Dining. These companies provide assignments with the potential for you to earn up to $50 per visit. Yes. So if you do multiple visits in a day, you get more money. It makes mystery shopping an attractive option for individuals that want additional income without traditional employment. For you to get started, simply sign up with reputable mystery shopping companies and browse available assignments. Once you are assigned a task, carefully follow the instructions. Pay attention to the specific aspects and notes. Yes, take thorough notes to ensure an accurate and insightful report. Another way to make money, this is a bonus tip. Another way to make money is you can make money as a UGC creator. You don't even need to have any social media following or even be on social media. Yes, all you need to do is go on the website called findyourinfluence.com. On findyourinfluence.com, you find a lot of campaigns that are available. You can apply for some of these campaigns. Now, you also have the liberty to choose whatever category that is of interest to you. If you're into fitness, you can go and sign up in the fitness category. If you love fashion, you can sign up in the fashion category. Jewelry, you can also do that. If you love finance, depending on, or if you love gaming, so companies, brands are willing to send you free products in exchange for your honest reviews. So when they send you these products, you also get paid. And guess what? You also get paid through findyourinfluence.com. Yes, the minimum payouts is like there's almost no minimum payout. So whatever you get paid at the end of your term of agreements. Yes. So this is a lucrative way to make money in 2024 and beyond. Go and findyourinfluence.com. You don't need any following on social media. All they need is for you to create a video of whatever products they send to you. So when they send you a product to review, you do the unboxing. That's it. You do the unboxing video. Just put your phone in front of you. You don't need a camera. You don't need a professional, gadgets to make this happen. So you put the stuffs in front. Just put your phone in front of you. You can use a tripod. You can use anything to just hold your phone while you shoot the content for them. And then you unbox the products, and then you probably test it. You wear it. You show the audience what it looks like when you wear these outfits, and of course you send it back through Find Your Influence. You respond to the brand through Find Your Influence. You put the link in there. Once they confirm that yes, you have submitted the link, then you get your payout, you get your money. They transfer the money into your bank account or into PayPal. I usually select PayPal. It's super easy for me, and they don't charge you. Yes, they don't take any percentage of the income. So like I mentioned in one of my videos, I think they already built the brand, because I wonder how they make the money, because they don't charge me. Whatever I negotiate is what I get. So yes, that is it for today. I hope this video has been a blessing to you. This video has blessed you. You know how we do it. Please click on the subscribe button, like this video, and share with your friends. Oh my goodness, I've not introduced myself. Please, if you're new here, make sure that you introduce yourself in the comments. I'd like to know you and me too. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. For those of you that are seeing me for the first time, my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share 3 videos on every week. Yes, make money. It's all about how to make money. Like I always say, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. And I hope I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that you can start to make money from the comfort of your home, whether you have followers or not, or whether you have social media accounts or not. Yes, so you're welcome. All right, guys, I'll see you in my next video. In case no one has showed you today, I want to be the first to tell you that you are amazing, and I am super duper proud of you. All right, guys, take care of yourselves and go to Express, and I will see you in my next video. God bless you.